Greetings from LAVANER. Today, we're taking a closer look inside the LAVANER Pro Max 5 kilowatts air heater premium kit. This compact air heater kit is built for reliable comfort, efficient heating, and easy installation in vans, campers, trailers, caravans, pickup trucks, and other mobile spaces. At the top of the package, you'll find a 1-meter air duct. You can also see the 1-meter double-layer corrugated exhaust pipe. Next, we have the heavy-duty exhaust silencer, and the heat insulation wrap to protect you from the extreme heat of the exhaust pipe. This is the 60-centimeter standpipe with an M8 thread. The white solid pipe is the 6-meter nylon fuel line. This is the 52-centimeter air intake pipe with silencer, which is quite efficient compared to the old design. This packet contains the clamps for the air ducting kit. Here is the T-duct hose. An additional air duct, 400 millimeters long, is also included. The 6-meter corrugated pipe is designed to protect the solid white fuel line. Here is the wiring harness. The power cable is 4.5 meters long and comes with a sealed fuse holder. The controller cable is 5 meters long, and the pump cable is 7 meters long. Inside this packet is the filter mounting kit, including rubber fittings, rubber hose, and clamps. The kit comes with 2 flat air outlets with dimension 75 millimeter. This item with the yellow ends is the metering pump. You can also see the rubber bracket included inside. This packet contains the exhaust pipe mounting kit, including clamps and brackets. We also provide cable ties to make fastening and installation easier. Next, we have the gaskets and screens. They are designed for easy maintenance whenever needed. The last packet contains the mounting kits for the turret plate and the air outlet vents. Here is the smart controller. It features a true thermostat, built-in timers, and a barometric pressure sensor for automatic altitude compensation. Next, we have the installation manual. Here is the black turret plate, which can be used for installation inside a van. The Pro Max 5 kilowatts is the compact air heater in the LAVANER Alpine series, working flawlessly under weight teen 44 feet. In high-altitude areas like Colorado, Pro Max 5 kilowatts heater will be your top choice. It not only gives you a comfortable experience, but also keeps you warm in the biting cold of high elevations, so you can keep moving forward. For more information about our products, please visit our website at lavanerheater.com.